Well, as you can see, it's nighttime here in Hawaii, and Michelle and I are going to go out on a boat with most of the people who are at the wedding, and we're going to see manta rays at night snorkeling. Super excited. You may be able to see over here in the distance, there's some blue lights. I guess the boats bring blue lights. It attracts plankton, and the manta rays come up and feed on it. And so we should hopefully get to see some really cool mantas. Michelle and I are in the back of the golf cart heading to snorkel with mantas.
Get sprayed on back there.
No, not too bad.
No, this is a lot better than walking in.
Here's the group of people we're going snorkeling with tonight. And I think this could be the boat. This, of course, is the lovely catamaran we're going to be getting out on. We're seated on the front of the catamaran and just about to take off. And we're moving. we're heading back into shore. That flew by so fast. I mean, 45 minutes, an hour went by what felt like 5 minutes. Blink your eyes and it's over, but that was probably one of the most intense things we've done in Hawaii so far. Never have I ever experienced such a good time in the ocean at night snorkeling. It is like super dark out here. There's just like blue lights going on, and I don't know what the heck that is, but it's lit up green. So we are back at the hotel after a awesome Manta Ray snorkel. It's pretty crazy. They go basically to the edge of our hotel. Funny enough, we're staying at the hotel that started to attract them back in the 70s. I guess the hotel used to be called the Surf Inn or something like that, and they had lights aimed at the ocean so that it would kind of let people see the waves while they were eating at one of the restaurants. And they noticed there were these black things swimming around in the water, so they sent in somebody to go look at them, and turned out they were manta rays. So they used to go down and play with them and touch them, and then they started dying. And so the researchers came in and told them it wasn't good to touch them anymore. So since then, this whole tour has turned into like this conservation thing almost, and they make sure that you don't touch the manta rays, and they make sure that you're floating horizontally in the water so that you don't like kick them. And yeah, it was a really good time. Hopefully the footage turns out good, and the best way to support this channel, of course, is to hit that subscribe button, and if you really like the video, hit the like button too, and I'll see you guys next time. Of our hotel room after the Manta Ray snorkel. We're waiting on security to come and unlock our door. It should be interesting.